Okay, go open your present. Go open your present.
Whoa.
Can you go open your present? Here, right here. Open it. What's in there? Huh? What's in there?
Book. Color. Mommy, color.
Oh yeah, is it crayons?
Book.
What's that?
And the book.
Oh yeah, it's a book.
Book. Book.
Wow.
I like it.
You do?
I like it. I like it.
That's good. I'm glad you like it.
I got
Ooh, look at that. Look at this, Audrey.
I like it.
Good. What's this? Look.
Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Do you like it?
No.
You gonna send it back?
Open your card. Oh, this is Daddy's card.
Oh. Hey, it's my card.